Hello everyone, this is Waheed from TryTecho. In this video, we will learn how to build a newsletter subscribe form in our WordPress website. So we need to install a new plugin. So we go to the plugins and click on this add new button. Here I search for easy form. Here is our plugin, install it. After installing, click on this activate button. After activating, click on this settings button. And here we need to enter the MailChimp API key. To get the MailChimp API key, we need to create an account on the MailChimp.com. So we go to the MailChimp.com. I will also put the link of this website in the description of this video. So here we need to click on this sign up button. And choose this free plan. Click on this sign up free. And we need to enter these details. After adding these details, we need to click on the sign up button. After that, it will send a activation link to our email. So just go to our email. Here is our activation link. Just click on this activate account and it will activate your MailChimp account. Now select this free plan and click on next. Enter your details again. Click on next. Enter your address and other details. After that, click on this next button. Select anything and click on next. Skip this. Again skip. Again skip. Skip this and finish. Click on this let's go button. Your MailChimp account has been created and now you need to get your API key. So to get your API key, click on this and go to the accounts and billing. After that, go to this extras and click on this API keys. Scroll down and click on this create a key. Scroll down. Here is your API key for your MailChimp account. Copy this, paste it in your MailChimp API key field. Click on this save change. Here you can see our MailChimp account has been connected to our plugin. Now it's time to create a MailChimp newsletter form. So click on this opt-in forms. Now you need to enter a name for the form. I am entering subscribe form and click on this create. After that, scroll down and select this email field and click on this add to form builder. It will add it and you can edit it if you want. Now go to this form settings, scroll down and change the name of submit button to subscribe. Now go to opt-in settings, click on this plus icon and check this single and update the form. After updating, you will get a shortcode. Copy this and you can paste it anywhere where you want to display your MailChimp newsletter form. So I want to display my MailChimp newsletter form to this page. So I click on this edit page button. Now I will click on this plus icon and search for shortcode. Here is our shortcode. So we need to drag and drop where we want to display it. So I'm dropping it here and closing it. Now we need to paste the shortcode here. So I'm pasting, and after that click on this update button. After updating, you can view your page by clicking on this. You can see here is our MailChimp newsletter form, and when someone enters their email and click on the subscribe button, you will get their email in your MailChimp account, and after that you can send them emails, newsletter whenever you want. I enter a email, a dummy email, and I click on the subscribe button to check if it is working or not. You will get a message, thank you for subscribing, and I'm checking if I get this email. So to check, go to the audience and then click on this all contacts. Here you can see I get the email no@mail.no. So you can see it's working, and this is the form which is working. And if you want to display a form in a page designed with Elementor, simply go to that page. This page is designed with Elementor page builder, but I want to display the form here, so I just need to enter this edit with Elementor button and search for shortcode, drag and drop it where you want to display the newsletter form, and here we need to paste the shortcode which we copied from here. Paste it and update it. After updating, you can view your page, and here is our MailChimp newsletter form. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.